Hello students. Today in geography we are going to study chapter number 7, India, a motherland. India is a unique country of vast geographical expanse with immense culture variation, lofty mountains, extensive plains and plateaus, network of rivers, desert, coastal plains and long coastline sprouts up the diverse landscape of this land. In the north, our country is bound by towering Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India has an area of approximately 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is approximately 3,214 kilometers. The east-west extents from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is approximately 2,933 kilometers. In this way, the lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, and the uneven plateau surface, and the coast and the island present in the kaleidoscopic diversity of landforms, there is a wide variations in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the culture and language. With a population of more than 120 crores, India is the second most popular country in the world after China. India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. Population wise, it ranks second in the world. India covers an area about 32 lakhs 87,267 square kilometers, which is about 2.2% of the total land of the earth. Location and extent. India lies in the northern hemisphere, northeastern hemisphere. Latitudinal extent. From south to north, India extends from 8 degree to 37 degree north latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the country. It divides India into almost equal halves. It passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. The north-south extent of India is about 3,214 kilometers. Longitudinal extent from west to east, India lies between 68 east degree to 97 degree east longitudes. The 82-degree east longitude passes through the middle of the country. It is taken as the standard meridian of India. It passes through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and Andhra Pradesh. The east-west extent of India is about 2,933 kilometers. Main boundaries. Indian Peninsula is bound by the Great Himalayas in the north, the Indian Ocean in the south, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Arabian Sea in the west. India is great in many aspects. It has a glorious past, multiple cultures, languages, and religion, a secular government, and it is the world's largest democracy, a vast range of landforms and natural resources. Neighboring countries. India shares its international boundaries with seven countries. It is bordered by the country of Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the northeast. The island countries of Sri Lanka and Maldives are its oceanic neighbors situated in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a Park Strait and the Gulf of Myanmar. Myanmar. The land comprising India and its neighboring countries is usually called the Indian subcontinent. Coastline. India has a regular coastline of on both the sides. The southern peninsula, the total length of India coastline is 6,100 kilometers, while the land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers long. The southernmost point on the Indian mainland is Cape Comorin near Kanyakumari. This is the point where the three surrounding seas meet. Earlier, the southernmost point of India was Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands at 6 degree north, but it got submerged in the sea in 2004 tsunami. Political division. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, especially for administrative purpose. These states have been formed mainly on the basis of language. Following table shows the state and the union territories of India along with their capitals.